Hey everybody, and welcome back to Joe's Multi-Tool and Bushcraft. Today, we got a bit of a haul going on here. We got a package from Amazon, and the significant other got me a couple items from Canadian Tire that I'm going to check out. Okay, so we're going to use the Milwaukee Fastback utility knife to open the Amazon package. Little flipper knife. Pretty cool. Okay. Okay, so we got a little leather carrying case. EDC leather case there. This one's a bit small, but I just wanted to check it out to see what they're all about. And we should have a couple of EDC pens here, so let's use the Fastback to open her up. Okay, check that back. Oh wow, that's got some weight to it. There you go. Very nice. So we got that one. And these aren't really like, these are all like Chinese ones. I just wanted to check them out before I bought like a brand new one. Oh wow, that's got like a, kind of like a pinkish tinge to it. Okay. There we go. Put those away. I just want to open this real quick. I thought this was going to be a little bit bigger than that. So the way it's got it laid out, so your multi-tool will go in this slot here, and then your flashlight and pen can go in here. And it's got a belt loop, so you just run your belt and it'll run alongside. The one I have right now, it's a bit bulky and it hangs off quite a bit. But I'm going to check this one out, see how it does. I thought this one had 3 slots. That's the one I really want. There's one I've been seeing advertised everywhere. That's really neat. It's a lot bigger than this one that I'm going to check out soon. But I just wanted to buy this cheap one just to give it a trial run, see how it feels working with it on. Okay, now for the Canadian Tire grabs. So what we've got here is an outbound multi-tool. It's a 20-in-1. Comes with some driver bits there and a pouch. So we'll just slice through that. This thing is awesome to cut with. Okay. So there you go there. Okay, I gotta remove this to activate the... Jesus, that's hard to pull out here. There we go. Oh, it's still in there. Okay. There we go. Okay. Put those batteries back in. That's cool. It has an LED light. It's pretty awesome. Put those batteries back in. Sweet. Nice. Oh, wow. It's got one at the front and one at the rear. That's pretty cool. There's the rear one. And one in the front. That's hardcore, man. Oh, if you carry this, oh, and it's assisted. Which is pretty neat. So you got your wire cutters and your basic wrenches there. Let's check the blade out on this. Okay, and it is on a liner lock. Okay, I'm liking this. Wasn't expecting much from Outbound, but in the lock, the liner lock is right in the center too. I don't know if I'll be able to get that in there. Let me just see here. I can show that, but the liner lock is lined up really, like right in the center of this blade. It's pretty sweet. I like it. And then it's got a bunch of other tools like your scissors and all that other jazz. But I was really interested trying to find a screwdriver bit for this. Okay, well, maybe I'll do a better review on this thing. Yeah, I wonder if it'll fit inside here. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. It's going to be a tight fit. Yeah, this one might be a little bit too big for this pouch. I don't know. Well, it seems to go in all right. There we go. So we don't even have to worry about a flashlight. And we could maybe put our, because this one already has a light in it, we can put our tactical pen in here. Let's get one of the pens just to show you what it looks like inside. Let's put our tactical pen right there. Boom. So there you go. Okay, and then the last item is a cameless knife here. It's called the Chase. So let's open her up. It's funny because I used to use knives to open my knives, but man, I'm going to use these box cutters from now on. Do it. There. So we got this holder. Now these are cheap knives. Like this has got rubber grip on it. It's like rubber and steel. And it's a small knife. I think the total length is only like maybe 7 inches on it. So it's got an interesting liner lock. So to close it, which I've never seen this type of lock before, right here. You just push that in. Let's see if I could do it with. Oh. It's a little bit hard to do with my thumb. I'll have to work it in a bit. Let's see how sharp the blade is here. Let's get the Chinese paracord. Yeah, it's not the... Chops through nicely. Let's see if it'll go through here. Yeah, the pull through is not that great. Oh, yeah, I really had to try on that. I think this is more of a slicer. I think that's what it is. It's more of a gutting knife. But yeah, the slice on that was great. So yeah, it's sharp. It's just, it's meant to, It's got a bit of a finger choil there, so you can really choke up on this. It's got a little bit of jimping on the top and a little bit of a wedge at the top for your thumb, so you can really get in there. But yeah, this is I think this knife was like 30 bucks. Maybe not even, maybe it was 20. I can't remember. But yeah, I thought I'd check it out. They have a series there at Canadian Tire of these knives. So I just want to check it out. It's got a little knife logo in the pocket clip there. So yeah, that's today's haul. So I'll just have to do a better video on these pens and stuff, just so I give a better description on them, just in case anyone's interested in getting these pens. The multi-tool and the knife were from Canadian Tire, the outbound multi-tool and the camelus knife. And the rest was from Amazon. Okay, thanks for coming by. Thanks for checking this stuff out. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notifications button, and stay tuned. Come back to Joe's Multi-Tool and Bushcraft.